So you filled out the formula and you worked this problem with your teacher. Your formula was model over actual. And then you said scale over here. You did this one with your teacher, so we're going to do this one together. It says on a map, 1 inch represents 20 miles. If the distance between Atlanta, Georgia and Nashville, Tennessee is 12.5 inches on the map, what is the actual distance between the two cities? So this word map, it's a keyword. It tells you you're probably doing a scale problem. When you see map, I want you to think, bing, proportions. Just like we do a lot of proportions, right? So our proportion, half of it is going to be our scale. Find the scale in this problem. It gives it to you right here. 1 inch represents 20 miles. And we know that on the map we have 12.5 inches. And we are looking for the actual miles. This is the formula you are going to, or the proportion you are going to solve. Hit pause and finish that one. The next one says if the scale drawing is 1/3 inch equals 15 feet, scale is a keyword, what is the actual measurement for an item that is drawn 9 inches? So on one side goes your scale. This is your scale right here. The other number you have is 9 inches. So you are looking for X feet. So you have 1/3 X equals 15 times 9. Now you need to divide by 1/3. Dividing by 1/3 is the same as multiplying by 3. I don't know about you, but I would prefer to multiply by 3. If I don't, I'm dividing by 1/3. Keep, change, flip. And I'm still multiplying by 3. So X equals 405. Alright, this table on the bottom is just a ton of practice. Real quick, scale is your key word. Scale of a drawing is 1/4 inch equals 15 feet. And you are going to use these numbers to create the rest of the table. So 1/4 inch is 15 feet. And our first one is 9. So that's 9 inches X feet. You're going to solve that one. So you have 1/4 times X equals 15 times 9. You're going to divide both sides by 1/4. These cancel out. You're left with X equals whatever 135 divided by 1/4 is. Or because it's the same, you can multiply by 4. So we've got keep, change, split. Keep, change, split. So 540 goes in my table. You're going to do the same thing for 12 inches, 14 inches, and 15 inches. It is way easier, I think it saves you time anyway, if you remember that dividing by 1/4 and multiplying by 4 is exactly the same thing. So when it comes time to divide by 1/4, just multiply by 4. Alright, if you're on the back of your notes, you've done a whole lot of work on the table before, and this is the same thing. Scale factor is 0.4. Ooh, what do you do when there's only one number? It's 0.4 over 1. Actually, we're just going to do it this way. We're just going to multiply 150 times 0.4. And then you have 475 times 0.4. I'll let you finish up 7 and 8 on your own. Hit pause and go ahead and finish. So the last problem on your note says a picture has a side length of 14.5 inches. The picture is dilated by a scale factor of 2.5 to create a new picture. What is the side length of the picture? So if they give us a scale with a top and a bottom, we make a proportion. If they just give us a number, we multiply. So you are multiplying 14.5 times 2.5. Easy peasy lemon squeezy.